connect the ground and 5 volt to our breadboard. Then we'll connect our LED. The longer pin of the LED is positive and the shorter one is negative. So let's connect our LED. Then we'll connect the positive terminal of the LED to pin number 9 of the Arduino.
Okay.
Then we'll connect our tap module. You can see the red wire is the S of the tap module, middle one is positive and this one is negative. So the white wire will be connected to ground. The middle wire will be connected to the 5 volt and this red wire will be connected to pin number 7. Here our connections are completed.